Today we're checking out the C&L Resonator Delete, designed to fit the 2017 to 2023 6.4 liter Hemi Challengers. This is going to be perfect for Challenger owners looking to enhance their car's exhaust note by eliminating the restrictive factory resonators, giving the car a more aggressive and deep exhaust tone without the need for a full catback or axle back muffler system. If you want a simple, cost-effective way to up the exhaust sound and improve the flow from your engine, this is a great choice. This Resonator Delete is all about improving sound and getting a little bit of performance out of it. By removing those factory resonators, this modification allows for a more pronounced exhaust note, enhancing both volume and tone. So let's get right into it, that Wake the Neighbor scale. I think since this one just totally gets rid of those resonators and you're going for more of a straight pipe, it's going to be a very aggressive 4 out of 5 on the Wake the Neighbor scale. It's going to result in a deeper, more aggressive sound under acceleration while reducing that back pressure, which can contribute to minor performance gains, which is always a good thing. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, this setup is built to withstand heat, moisture, and that road debris, ensuring long-lasting durability. Also, another bonus is the fact that we're going to retain the stock exhaust tips, keeping a clean, factory-like appearance while just giving you a boost in sound and a little bit better exhaust flow. Built from high-quality stainless steel, the Resonator Delete is designed to handle high exhaust temperatures while resisting rust and corrosion. This is going to be mandrel bent 3-inch tubing, which ensures smooth airflow, reducing restrictions and enhancing that performance. With a direct fit design, this setup integrates seamlessly with your factory exhaust system, maintaining OEM compatibility while improving the sound and flow. As far as pricing goes on this, guys, we're gonna come in right around that low to mid 200s price range. This makes it an excellent option for those of you who want a noticeable sound improvement without breaking the bank. Now, as far as the installation goes on this, we're going to rate this a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in about 2 hours of your time. The process involves removing the factory resonators and clamping the new pipes into place. If you're comfortable with minor exhaust modifications, you can do this right at home, no problem. Now, let's check out an install video from an American Muscles customer and see exactly how this goes on your car.
All right, the first step is you measure 9 1/4 inches from the exhaust hanger. Take your mark. After getting your car on jack stands, measure 9 1/4 inches on the tailpipe to mark. After measuring your 9 1/4 inches, make your mark and cut directly on that mark. Always wear your safety glasses. To keep from damaging any of this and fighting the factory exhaust bracket, I like to just remove the entire bracket by using a 13mm socket. On these, I like to use a little PB blaster just to help it slick up so it comes off easier. You can normally work these right off with a pair of pliers once you use some lubricant on them. The next step is removing your factory exhaust tips using a 13mm socket. Sometimes these can be really stuck. Just take a rubber mallet, give it a little pop, and they come right off. The next step, you have to remove the factory band clamp by cutting off the spot weld. Next, you install your factory tip onto the new tailpipe. Now don't over tighten this because you're going to have to be able to adjust this once you get it installed. Next, go ahead and reinstall your factory exhaust hanger. Actually, I found it easier to put the factory exhaust hanger on the pipe first. Now, you want to take this, slide it over your factory exhaust where you'd cut it off. And then once you get that in place, rotate it up, put your factory exhaust hanger bolt back in place. Next, tighten your factory exhaust hanger using a 13mm socket and extension. Next, using the exhaust clamp provided, tighten down on the factory exhaust using a 15mm socket. Next, using a torque wrench, torque the exhaust clamp bolts down to 45 foot-pounds. Now repeat these steps on the other side. Once you get the other side installed, you can then adjust your exhaust tips how you'd like them and tighten them down with a 13mm socket.
All right, well, that's going to wrap up our review and install of the C&L Resonator Delete, designed to fit the 2017 to 2023 6.4 liter Hemi Challengers. And for all things Challenger, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.